So do you currently have an affiliate program? Or are you someone who has realized that there is true power in having an affiliate team or a team of let's say like ambassadors working on your behalf to make sales for your business? Well, there's a really easy way to manage that, but as a bonus, this platform also enables you to manage every other business activity that you need to do from this one platform. But the problem is sometimes it's a complicated system, or you have to manage it on a separate platform from where you're hosting, say, your website and your appointments and your sales and your contacts and all those other things. So if you have a complicated setup that involves more than one platform, then listen up. In this video, I'm going to show you how the ClickFunnels 2.0 Affiliate Center streamlines your affiliate management, allowing you to create and scale a sales team that literally works for themselves. So you don't have the headache and you don't have to pay everybody for dental, but also they make money and you make money. They make money through their effort and you make money through the sale. It is a complete win-win. But as I said, ClickFunnels 2.0 has an entire series of apps. So this is just an additional bonus app on top of all the other things that you can do in ClickFunnels 2.0, which I have an entire playlist on. So this is just another thing that you can do from within ClickFunnels 2.0 and create your business from one software and all in one platform. So let's go take a look. Hey guys, just wanted to jump in here and say, if you stick around to the end of this video, you're not only going to get all the information, but you're also going to get access to a way to plug and play free frameworks so you don't have to build anything for yourself. You can just click a button and download it instantly into your ClickFunnels account. So stay to the end to figure out how to get access to that. All right, guys, so we are in the Affiliate Center. With this account, I don't actually have affiliates, but that does not mean that your business doesn't have affiliates. So it's as simple as adding this app. And this is actually a great demonstration because, for instance, say you have affiliates and you're trying to set up the app, then you're going to come in here to add apps. Open the app that you have a desired use for and simply click the add app button and you're all set up. Now, of course, this is all the things that your affiliate center can do because you can manage all of your affiliates. You can simplify the tracking and the management of the payouts from here, and you can also create a centralized dashboard so that you're able to not only manage the links, manage the sales, manage all the processing and everything in between, but by simplifying this process for you and for your affiliates, you're going to create a much better win-win scenario for both of you. Now, of course, affiliate programs can be set up in an infinite number of ways because you could be giving people 50% of the sale. You could be giving people 20% of the sale. This is all very variable based on the business that you have and the commission that you're trying to give out. Now, I will say that a higher commission on the affiliate will create more incentive to create more sales. Therefore, more sales means more money for both of you. So just food for thought in case you're trying to be like, oh, you get 10%. Well, at the end of the day, even a higher commission means more effort from your affiliate, meaning more sales. So if you're trying to create more sales, you have to create more incentive. But the reality is creating an affiliate program for your business, if you haven't thought about this before, is a way for you to boost your growth. Because what you're saying is you're like, I am going to make money from not having to put in any extra effort to make the sale. It's somebody else's effort that you're going to split the money with. And it doesn't have to be a full-time employee or a full-time sales team. Now, for different businesses, a full-time sales team is an appropriate business model. But if you're selling an online course, why not have 100 YouTubers making videos promoting your course? Like the question, why not? Now, are all affiliates created equal? No. And if you've ever read the 80-20 principle, then you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. The reality is that not all affiliates are created equal, but I would say that in order to hit a home run, you got to hit 100 balls to see which ones are going to fly. So there's no reason to not give affiliate sales a chance and see if you can't literally grow your business like clockwork because you have other people putting in the sales and marketing efforts, and then you get to focus on the service delivery aspect. If you want to be able to manage not only all of your affiliates, but your website, your discovery call, your appointments, like if you want to get rid of your Calendly app, your WordPress, your whoever you manage, like Substack or Medium, if you have a blog, your online courses, say you're using school or whatnot, if you want to get rid of that, if you want to get rid of MailChimp or GetResponse or ConvertKit or whatever, and you want to manage all of your business assets in one convenient location, then check out the entire playlist I made about all the different ClickFunnels 2.0 apps and how they apply to your business. So that's it for this training, but your funnel building journey doesn't stop here. Every training in this video series comes with a plug and play framework that you can get access to through My Business Success Vault. So you don't have to think about it. You just click and you're good to go. But that's not all that's in the vault. There's also courses, digital downloads, other pre-built frameworks, and trainings on different AI tools and automation to help keep your business running smoothly and efficiently. The best part is the Business Success Vault comes with a 7-day free trial. And you have full control over your membership status at any time, no hassle, no commitment. So if you're ready to take the guesswork out of growing your business on ClickFunnels, then click the link below and start implementing with ease. See you there. But not only that, there's a 14-day free trial down in the description below. So try it out for free. Just go click around and see what this app has to offer you. So happy affiliating. Ooh. Affiliating? You get my point. Thanks for tuning into Business Fundamentals with me, the Business Cowgirl. And if you want more free, awesome content just like this to help your business grow and develop online from a seasoned expert in business technical architecture. But if you really want your business to grow, then I highly recommend you check out my weekly newsletter, Winning Business, from somebody who's been a business consultant for the last 10 years, helping businesses create efficient and effective workflows to help their businesses save them time, money, and resources. What does that really mean? It means the answer to the question of what you need to build for where your business is trying to go. So when you're ready, those links are always down in all my video descriptions for you. So to be continued.